Hello class 10 students. Today in continuation of female reproductive system we will discuss two main topics. First one, uh, what happens when fertilization occurs, and second one, what would happen when fertilization not occurs. But before starting these two topics, let us discuss some basic question related to this topic. Which question? First one is, what are the function of a female reproductive system? Second one, when does it begin? That means when does female reproductive system become functional? And third question, how does female reproductive system become functional? Now let us start one by one. What are the function of female reproductive system? Female reproductive system plays two roles. First one, production of ova or egg. By which process? By the process of oogenesis. Second, it supports the growth of embryo and fetus. Now come to the second question. When does it begin? That means when does female reproductive system become functional? Actually, it begins when a female attains puberty. When a female attains puberty, it becomes functional. That is around age of 11 to 13 years. Now we will start third question. Third question is, how does female reproductive system become functional when a female attains puberty? It is due to the action of some hormones which is secreted by endocrine glands. You know very well, in endocrine system parts we have already discussed, master of master gland is hypothalamus and master gland is pituitary gland. These two stimulate ovary to secrete estrogen and progesterone. How does it stimulate? You can see here, step by step it is written here. Now first of all, hypothalamus triggers anterior part of the pituitary to secrete hormone. Which hormone anterior part of the pituitary secretes? It is follicle stimulating hormone, which can be denoted as FSH, and luteinizing hormone, which can be denoted as LH. These two hormones are actually stimulating, it stimulates ovarian follicle, due to which ovarian follicle matures and converted into Graafian follicle. These two hormones, by the influence of these two hormones, ovary secrete a hormone. That hormone is called estrogen. This estrogen is responsible for releasing ovum. When estrogen hormone is secreted, Graafian follicle ruptures and it helps in releasing ovum. After that, what happens? The remnant of Graafian follicle is converted into corpus luteum. This corpus luteum secretes a second hormone. That hormone is called progesterone. This hormone is responsible for maintaining pregnancy. Which type of changes it brings in female? Actually, it converts endometrium vascular and thick. What would happen after that? After that, if fertilization occurs, it is implanted. Fertilized egg is implanted in endometrium. If fertilization not occurs, in that condition, menstrual cycle, menstrual flow begins. Now, these two topic, that means what would happen when fertilization occurs, and second one, what would happen when fertilization not occur, we will start.
Thank you.